Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is yet again another hair tutorial, but in today's video I will be installing this really pretty half wig for you guys. Yes, I said half wig. Y'all, this is my hair out in the front, and I literally just popped this unit on in the back and I got it together and I got it to look like this. So if you're interested in learning all about this unit and how I got it to look like this, just keep on watching.
Okay guys, so let's go ahead and unbox our wig together. This is the packaging my wig came in, and it came with my wig, of course. It also came with some edge bands, some brochures, and a nude stocking cap. So the wig they sent me is their pre-styled butterfly cut layered half wig. And if you are not familiar with what a half wig is, it's basically a wig without lace in the front. So you would leave the front perimeter of your hair out for a more natural install. I just showed you guys what the inside construction of the wig looks like, and now I'm about to get into the actual hair. So the texture of this hair is a human hair Yaki straight texture, and it does come pre-styled with some really nice layered curls. And the color of the wig is natural black. So as you guys can see, I do have my hair sectioned off. I have the front of my hair already sectioned off where I'm going to leave it out to blend in with the half wig. And then I have my hair just braided straight back in the back and on the sides. So guys, I'm going ahead and putting that nude cap over my braids just for some extra protection, and then I'm going to go ahead and just install this wig. You see it has the combs in the front, so I'm going to put that as close to the front sectioned out hair as I can. I did zoom in so you guys can see a little bit better, and it also has combs on the sides, so just going ahead and pushing those combs in on the sides, the top, and in the back of the wig. And y'all, that is just how easy it is to install a half wig, honestly. I went ahead and tightened up that drawstring elastic band in the back to make sure that wig fit my head nice and snug, and this is what the wig looks like right out of the box. The curls look absolutely beautiful, and as you guys can see, it does have those layers already in there, which I really loved because I did not have to do any additional styling to this hair whatsoever, and you guys will see that. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and took my hair out in the front. I did already flat iron my hair in the front because, as you guys know, I am growing out my TWA and I have a 4C natural hair texture. It would have taken a little bit longer to press it in the video, so I did just go ahead and prep my hair prior to the video so that it can just blend in with that wig. And y'all, look at how seamless this looks. Again, all I did was press my hair straight. I did not curl it or anything, and this is how good that wig looks blended in with my natural hair. Y'all, this looks so good. The curls look really nice. I was feeling the curls in that butterfly cut, but you guys know my hair is really short in the front, so just to make sure that it blends in a lot more seamlessly, I am adding some more layers to the top of that wig so that it doesn't look unnatural where my natural hair starts and stops.
Every breath feels like grace when I'm open. I rest right here, trusting you, even when I don't know what you'll do. I'm safe.
This is fire. Okay, this is so fire. Like, ISEE Hair Company, I'm not gonna lie, and this is between me and y'all, right? This is between me and y'all. ISEE Hair Company has the best half wigs, hands down. Hands down. No, if you are a frequent watcher over here, you know I've tried a lot of different wigs, and ISEE Hair Company's half wigs literally take the cake. Y'all cannot tell me that this is not giving natural blowout. Like, this looks so stinking pretty. I only added a few more layers because, like I said, my natural hair is really short. So I wanted, like, where my real hair starts and stopped, I didn't really want it to be really noticeable. So I went ahead and put those layers right there in the front. But y'all, look at this. Look at how seamless that is. And the texture of the hair is like a Yaki texture. It's like a kinky Yaki texture. So it's definitely giving like natural hair blowout vibes. Like, this might be my brand new go-to wig, honestly, because I've been trying to find something that looks so natural and looks like it could be my own hair, but still give me like that extra zhuzh that I want. So this is giving me that extra zhuzh. Definitely. So I'm not gonna do too much to my edges because I'm trying not to put too much heat on it. This is actually my first time putting heat on my hair since my big chop in September, so that was already a lot of heat just flat ironing it. But I am gonna go ahead and do like the roots a little bit. I wanted to give grown and sexy, which I think it is giving. Forehead is out, period. I am in a season right now where I want to embrace as much of my God-given features as I can, and I'm not getting rid of this forehead. I see a lot of people going to Turkey and getting their hairline pulled forward. Look, this is me. I got a big forehead. My daddy got a big forehead. My brothers got big foreheads. Look, this is me. So I do want to get in a habit of like embracing my natural forehead more. And I know I've been saying that on my channel for some time now, but I'm really serious. Like, I want to give like a more natural look. I'm going into 30, and I think I've been telling you guys this in like all my recent videos, but like, y'all, I turned 30 in less than 5 months. Like, that is so crazy to me. It's so crazy. But I say all that to say, I just want to give like a more natural vibe. I don't want to like supernatural because I'm a beauty girl. At the end of the day, I'm always going to be a beauty girl, but I do want to give like beauty, like grown beauty, like not this super exaggerated looks anymore, because honestly, y'all, that's just not where I am in my life anymore. I want to show you guys where I am in my life. And basically, this wig is giving Tia turns 30, period. This wig is giving me everything. So y'all, shout out to ISEE Hair Company for sending me this really bomb half wig. I am absolutely obsessed. I love the layers. Again, this is their butterfly curl unit. All the details will be down below. I am going to go ahead and finish up styling this unit. I'm not going to do too much styling to the actual unit itself, but I am going to go ahead and press my edges a little bit better. Like, just get them to look a little bit more flat.
Flash at the atmosphere, heart so clear. Light will meet me when it's here. It's a vibe, 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 vibe. It's a vibe, 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 vibe. Good food, good vibes. Yeah, we outside. Light in the room feels so right. Good food, good vibes. These daytime, laugh so loud, we shine, shine. Good food, good vibes. Yeah.
So guys, this is what the unit is giving right out of the box. I did not have to do much, as you guys seen. It looks so, so good. And this is before doing anything to my edges. You know, I wanted you guys to see what this wig looks like if you are a natural hair girly and you don't put too much heat in your hair. This is what this wig could look like on you. But I also want to show you guys how this wig would look if you put it up into a ponytail. You can do all types of styles with this wig. I am recording this voiceover after I wore this wig for a couple days, and I did end up wearing it in a half up, half down to the gym. And y'all, I got so many compliments on my hair. So
first of all,
this is the one.
How seamless that is. Like, I don't think I've ever, and I'm not just saying this because I am filming an ISEE Hair video, but I don't think that I've ever done a half wig and it was this seamless. Like, it's usually like bumpy, lumpy. You can see the lumps, especially because my hair is really short. Y'all know I did my big chop. So I don't have a lot of hair, y'all. I don't have a lot of hair. But the fact that I don't have a lot of hair, I probably got like a couple inches of hair. I'm just trying to camouflage my hair under that ponytail. But the fact that I only have a couple of inches of hair and I'm still able to camouflage the front of that wig, this is insane. Like, this is next level. I have absolutely no complaints. The only thing I would do if I was gonna wear my hair up like this, I would definitely do a little baby hair action, like swoop my edges or something. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then I'm gonna take some pictures, and then I'm gonna go to the gym with this wig because somebody has to see this. Like, somebody gonna see this.
Celebrate tonight. Good food, good love, everything alright. Come on and celebrate. Clap your hands, don't wait. It's a feast day, baby. Yeah, we celebrate. Celebrate, celebrate, celebrate. Celebrate, hey. Celebrate, celebrate. Come on, sing that clock. Oh. Pass the plate, say a prayer. Joy in the room everywhere. This ain't right.
Y'all, I can't make this up. This is a freaking half wig. Matter of fact, I didn't even have all the hair pulled to the front. Look at how full this is. This is a half wig, y'all. A half wig. This is bomb. Like, as a gym girly, these are the wigs that make life so much easier. I can just throw it on, pop it on, and go, and it just looks so, so good. Alright guys, so this is the finished look, y'all. It literally took me no time to pop this wig on and get it together. When I say this is one of those ones, this is one of those ones that you need for the summer. If you are like me and you are tired of gluing lace on your forehead, I know I say that all the time, but I really am. Like, I'm tired of gluing lace on my forehead. Go ahead and grab you one of these. I will leave all the details down below in my description box as usual. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave me some feedback down below in my comment section. Let me know what you think. If you like it, if you would wear this wig, let me know. And yeah guys, make sure you are subscribed. I do have some new fresh content coming very soon, and I cannot wait to share it with you guys. So make sure you're subscribed and turn on my post notifications as well so that you are notified when I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.
Fringes on, stepping out the house like a daughter of Zion.